What's up, YouTube? So for this year, I thought I'd do a whole different series for you guys for Sema. Instead of doing a daily vlog of every single thing here at Sema, and kind of pointless for you guys who don't want to see the convention area, I'm just going to record only all the side activities, like the drifting, the simulation driving, all that fun stuff that's here at Sema, and show you guys what's fun for everyone else to do. We hear some loud drifting noises coming from over there to our right, so we're about to head over and watch the HOONIGAN drift show. They've been doing it all day yesterday and today. They were supposed to be doing ride-alongs, but I don't think they're doing them anymore. If they are, we're going to try and get in and see what we can get.
This guy last year, some of the best photos from the Barnyard came from this man because the whole back half of his car caught on fire. Burned the whole bumper off the thing. Thing absolutely parties. Y'all ready to see him party? Absolute business. So, are we ready? Send it in, Cinema Woman! Just a proper, just a how you do. The evolution of the pit style. Walking up the pit lane, Wally's running out there, I've been hurt out. Sema, let him see the road limiter. Get him up! Get him up! Hey Sema, are you guys entertained?
freaking insane. We got tires all over us. We couldn't breathe for half the freaking show. Look at Sal right here. He already dusted off some of it, but he still got a bunch on the back. We're covered in tire parts.
I think we need a vacuum.
We need more than just a vacuum.
I popped one of my boots.
Yeah, that Hoonigan Drift Show is one of the best things here at Sema. They do it twice every day, so it's you can catch it all week long. But so today is Thursday, and it's the last day, so they're not doing it tomorrow.
They're going
but it was
crazy.
amazing. It is freezing cold out here. Today it was raining a little bit, started sprinkling, but thank God Rohana hooked me up with a jacket. But Sema has way more to offer than just the cars and exhibits and everything. We saw yesterday, caught a little bit of TJ Hunt drifting, warming up. I didn't get to stick around for the actual show because they did kind of run his timeout and he had to get to his wires reveal for the Nissan Z. But we will catch him today. He's doing one every single day. We got Hoonigan drifting. We got a couple different simulation games that you can play. Those for sure, anybody can sign up. But that drifting noise that you hear over there out in the distance, way back behind South Hall, that's probably TJ Hunt warming up because right about time for him to start going right now. So we're going to see if we can catch him a second time and see his actual drift show this time. So we got over to the drift track and we have no idea what the hell went wrong, but they're sitting there towing and fixing shit. So we're just going to come back later once they start drifting again. In the meantime, we're just going to go check out all the cars, show you guys some of the cool builds that they got here this year. This is my first time ever seeing one of these beautiful RS6s hatchbacks in real life, and this Rift exhaust tip is fucking huge. This thing is beautiful. I cannot believe how clean this looks. Love the matte black wrap. It's more of a satin, but the black satin matte wrap, whatever it is, along with the carbon fiber, looks incredible. Got this beautiful wide body GTR. We got Sal right here who still won't wide body his GTR because he's a freaking loser. Come on, man. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. Any wide body GTR looks insane. Way better than the stock ones. Makes them more aggressive, makes them more of a Godzilla like they are. We got a couple insane looking sports cars out here in the dub section. This is crazy Liberty Walk kit. This thing is 30 grand just for the kit. Imagine all the installation and everything that goes into it, but got the same exact wheels that I do. My Rohana wheels, RFG 5s. This thing is beautiful. Liberty Walk has some beautiful kits. I love the Liberty Walk kits. A little bit more than the Pandem kit, but they didn't have nothing for the RCF, so I had to go Pandem. But all these cars, all 4 or 5 of them right here, all have Liberty kits on them. I saw this Lambos from so far away and had to run over here to record it real quick. Thing caught my eye from far away. God, I'm telling you guys, Liberty Walk makes the best kits ever. Just way too pricey, way too expensive for me. Rohana got a whole freaking lineup out here, out front of the South Hall. And they partnered with Creative Bespoke on 2 different cars this year, one outside and one inside. They got this G-Wagon that they partnered with them on. This thing is freaking built to perfection. I follow these guys on Instagram and YouTube, and I was watching them build this whole thing. It's crazy what they did. You guys can't really see the interior, but it's all orange in there. Custom leather stitching. Got this beautiful Tech Art. There's a lot of Tech Art kits out here on the Porsche. And Tech Art kit is incredible. Another Liberty Walk Lambo kit. Got this one putting fresh decals on it.
Alright, do one more.
Oh, 0.05, 0.06. Whole freaking simulation setup, full movement and everything.
I don't care about, and then market it. So it's like I built this.
They got a drag racing simulation game where you hop into 2 cars and race against each other. Kind of like what I did at the eBay one, but a lot more realistic. Actual screen this time, and you're in an actual freaking car. And he's losing. He's gone. Alright guys, so I kind of ran out a little bit of time trying to get all the things for you guys during SEMA, but kind of got a little gist of everything that goes on here. You got the drift shows, you got car reveals like TJ and other people, you got the simulation games, all kinds of other stuff. And now is one of my favorite parts, the parade, which I'm kind of late to pulling out my car. As you can tell, all the cars next to me are gone. But I'm not gonna make the same mistake as I made last year and pull out behind all these big ass trucks, because last year all they do is blow their horns, and this guy has big ass speakers on the back, so I'm definitely not pulling out behind him. But I'll make sure to get some of the parade for you guys. You can already hear him drowning out my voice with those speakers, but yeah, I'm gonna wait and get behind a couple other cars. Everybody's being boring as hell, so usually I'm the boring one, but I got it ready for them. Everybody's being quiet. Gotta keep it interesting. And now we're in a tight packed space.
It's nice.
Gotta give everybody what they're here for.
Absolutely, it's a blast.
But damn, this is just the beginning. This is still part of the cruise. We're not even at the end yet. I don't know if any of you saw the video from last year, but it was actually less people last year than it is this year. So we still got a long cruise all the way to the end of the West Hall, and then that's where the actual SEMA Ignited takes place. And you got way more bleachers than this, packed to the max.
Tons of displays, tons of activities. You want to really see these guys do burnouts and have fun. And they got the
Time to rev it.
Beautiful, my guy. Fucking beautiful.
I love it. Okay. Oh, it's all burnt out. Yeah, just for you. Yeah. All right, guys, and now we're pulling up to the actual SEMA Ignited show. Almost there. It's gonna be a big ass pit up front where all these fans just get bigger and bigger. You got these huge bleachers right there surrounding the whole entire thing. But we've been putting on a pretty good show so far. There it is, the actual SEMA Ignited. Can't believe SEMA's finally over. It's actually not as packed as it was last year, but I think everybody's still waiting. I was part of the earlier crowd. Last year I was all the way in the back, but it's time to get loud one last time. Rev it till the engine gives out. The engine didn't give out, but that shit smells burnt, so I'm gonna cool it off. Give it a couple minutes to cool down. All right, YouTube, that's the end of SEMA 2022. Kept it short and easy for you guys. It was pretty sick this year. A lot more people than last year. They said this year was last year was 120, this year was about 180, 170, I think. But we had fun. Might be here next year, might not, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out all the other videos. Leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see next year. If I do come to SEMA next year, I'll make sure to get all the footage you want.